Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's full tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove image backgrounds using AI with pixelbin.io quickly, cleanly, and without needing Photoshop skills. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know how to upload images, remove backgrounds automatically, refine results, and export high quality, transparent images for e-commerce, social media, or design work, or maybe just an average photo. Okay, step one, go to pixelbin.io and sign up. Open your browser, go to pixelbin.io, click sign up or get started. You can usually find it at the top right here. Alright, you can create an account using email and Google login. Once logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. So let me click my name here at the top. You will see the dashboard right away once you log in with Google. Right? Now inside the dashboard, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and hit here, remove background. Right? Next, Pixelbin offers multiple AI tools, but this is the one we need for this tutorial. Next, upload your image. Now, upload the image you want to edit. Alright, so I'm gonna hit the plus button here. Right? And a new window will show up. Okay. And let's say I want to add this photo. Let me go to downloads, right, and find a photo, a proper photo to edit. So let's say this. Okay. So now all I gotta do is just hit generate. Alright. You're gonna wait for a few moments. Right. For best result, choose high resolution images, clear subject, person or product, right? And good lighting. The cleaner the original image, the better the AI output. Okay, so let me upload the image here. Again, let me do it again. Right. I'm gonna wait for a few moments. Right. And then hit the background. Okay, and select the foreground object, right? Maybe e-commerce, personal picture, car, human object. Just hit human and apply, and let AI remove the background. Right, Pixelbin automatically detects the subject. It removes the background in seconds. You will instantly see subject isolated, transparent background. Right? No manual selection needed for this. Now refine the edges, right? AI is powerful, but sometimes you need small adjustments. Check for hair edges, object outlines, missing details. If Pixelbin provides editing tools, use edge refinement, adjust cutout accuracy, smooth rough areas. Okay, this step helps you get a professional, quick quality result. Right? You can add a new background, which is optional. After removing the background, you can keep it transparent or add a new background. Options included solid colors, gradient backgrounds, office or lifestyle scenes, custom uploads, which you can usually do on Canva. Right? This is especially useful for product photos, social media content, and marketing visuals. And next, what you're gonna do, you're gonna adjust the image settings. Before downloading, you can improve your image brightness, contrast, sharpness, color balance. Right, you can find it on the left hand menu or side panel here to adjust the brightness, right, saturation, contrast. Right, you can add warmth here. Right, small tweaks can make your image look much more professional. And next, what you're gonna do, once you apply, you're gonna just hit export, right, or download once you're satisfied. So wait for a few moments so we can process the new update, right? And then hit export here at the top. Okay, all you gotta do now is just hit download. You can choose the format, or they will show you like the download right away, the download file, PNG or JPG, and select a high resolution. PNG is best if you want to reuse the image in design. Now, your background removed image can be used for e-commerce product listings, Etsy or Shopify stores, YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, ads in marketing, personal branding. Clean backgrounds improve conversion and professionalism. Professionalism, right? Avoid using blurry images, ignoring edge imperfections, over editing colors, using low resolution downloads, choosing bad replacement backgrounds. Always aim for a natural, clean look. Pro tip: use white or minimal backgrounds for e-commerce. Keep lighting consistent when adding new backgrounds. Batch process multiple images for faster workflow. Combine with Canva for final design. For final designs. Test different backgrounds for better convergence. Here's the fastest method: upload image to Pixelbin, just to go back and rewind what we explained. Upload image to Pixelbin, remove background automatically, fix edges if needed, add new background, which is optional, and download as a PNG or GPG. Done in under a minute. Using pixelbin.io for background removal in 2026 is one of the easiest ways to create clean, professional visuals without design experience. Whether you're selling products, creating content, or building a brand, this tool can save you hours of manual editing. So consider liking this video, subscribe it. Until next time, see you.